Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.80. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $18, and regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $5, $10, and even over $20 per minute watching Google ads. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this brand new website where you can watch Google website ads and fill your purse while earning money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see here, you can watch Google ads and get paid for watching them. This site has already paid close to $3 million to its users, and they have over 4.7 star ratings out of 5 on Trustpilot from over 4,000 real users around the world. So you can trust this website. This Google Ads website is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and still earn money with it. The name of this website is Jumptask, and the URL will be Jumptask. So don't get confused. This is how the dashboard of Jumptask will look like. On Jumptask, you can find simple ways to make money online, like taking surveys, playing games, sharing your unused internet, testing different products, watching videos, and most importantly, watching ads or Google website ads. And today I will be sharing a bonus trick with you guys that's going to help you earn 10 times more money than others on Jumptask, so stay tuned until the end. Jumptask is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world, and you can still earn money with it. So you can see here that you can get paid on Jumptask not only for watching Google ads, but also for playing different games, sharing your unused internet data, watching TikTok videos, watching YouTube videos, and much more. But today we want to earn money by watching Google ads. And for this, the first thing you need to do is to come to the homepage of Jumptask and click where it says Start Making Money Now. You will be taken to this page where you again need to click on this button where it says Start Earning Now, and you will be shown different options to sign up to Jumptask. The best option is to directly sign up and log in using your Google Gmail account, but you can also choose to sign up with your Facebook account, Apple ID, or by directly connecting your crypto wallet to Jumptask. Once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. In your brand new account, you will have no account balance, but if I show you my main account, you can see that I have already earned over $27 in it within just 2 to 3 days. And today I will show you guys how you can make money like this with Jumptask. To earn money watching Google ads, you need to come over to the Earn section. From here, on this page, you will find a ton of offers to complete and earn money online. But to earn money watching Google ads, I want you to scroll down on this page. You will find the All Tasks section, where you can find different simple and easy tasks to perform and earn money online. For example, if you watch this YouTube video, you will earn a few cents for that, and so on. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you will find different Google website ads to click on and make money. To earn money watching these Google website ads, all you have to do is click on it. That's going to show you the instructions to complete this Google website ads task. And after reading them, you need to check this box and click where it says Take the Offer. As you can see, as per this task, we need to search for this keyword in the browser. So, let's search for this in the Google Chrome browser or any other browser that you use. Next, we need to look for this website link. So, let's just open this screenshot from there, and we will be shown the screenshot of the website that we need to look for. So, let's just search for this website in the search results of Google. We may sometimes need to go to the second page, third page, or more pages of the Google search results. So as you can see, this is the site that we need to open as per the screenshot shared in the Google Ads task. So let's open it from there, and we will be taken to the home page of that website. Now we need to scroll through the website for the next 10 seconds. So let's scroll up and down on this website for the next 10 seconds. After that, you can close this website and come back to Jumptask again. But as you can see, it might take you up to 7 days to get credited for the task completed by you. So if you complete some tasks and you don't get credited instantly, just wait for 7 days for it to credit the amount to your account. Now, here you can earn anywhere from a few cents per Google ad you watch, up to $180 per Google ad. But these high-paying offers are available to you once you already start earning some good amount of money on Jumptask. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. Earn 10 times more money than others on Jumptask. What you can do is install a free VPN extension on your browser or mobile device, activate the VPN, and connect it to the United States. Then, create a completely new Jumptask account on your browser. This will help you get the United States offers to complete and get paid higher amounts of money, fast and easy. You will get high-paying Google website ads to watch and earn more money online. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.